Ever stared at your bathroom shelf, overwhelmed by the sheer number of products? It's full of pricey bottles that promised miracles, each one whispering promises of transformation. You were hoping for clearer skin, fewer wrinkles etching their way onto your face, and a youthful glow that radiates from within. Yet, despite all the effort and expense, your skin is still irritated, uncomfortably dry, or stubbornly breaking out with frustrating regularity. The promises on those labels feel increasingly empty, and your wallet significantly lighter after each trip to the beauty store. The beauty industry thrives on making you feel like you constantly need more products, more steps, more specialized treatments. But what if the secret to truly healthy, happy skin is actually less? What if paring down is the answer? Your skin is remarkably smart and resilient. It has its own intricate and effective way of healing, regenerating, and protecting itself from environmental stressors. When we overload it with a barrage of harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances, we inadvertently disrupt its natural balance, hindering its ability to function optimally. For centuries, across diverse cultures, people relied on simple, time-tested natural ingredients, and they did so without experiencing today's widespread issues of chronic sensitivity, persistent inflammation, and perplexing skin conditions. The modern skincare approach has unnecessarily complicated things, creating confusion and frustration, fostering a dependency on quick fixes that offer temporary results, but ultimately fail to deliver lasting skin health. It's time to question this relentless cycle and seek a gentler, more intuitive, and ultimately more effective way to care for your skin. Let's step back from the overwhelming clutter of products and information and the often misleading and ultimately disappointing empty promises. This guide is about returning to simplicity and mindful skincare practices, empowering you to use simple, natural ingredients that you already know, trust, and perhaps even have in your kitchen pantry. We'll explore a path that's not only kinder and more nourishing to your skin, but also kinder to your wallet and more sustainable for the planet we share. It's a journey back to the basics of skincare, where you become your own skincare chef, creating personalized blends tailored to your unique needs. You'll learn to truly listen to your skin's subtle cues and signals and give it exactly what it needs, nothing more, nothing less, fostering a healthy and harmonious relationship. Let's rediscover the pure, powerful, and often overlooked goodness that can be found in the abundance of nature. There's a quiet revolution brewing in the world of beauty, a shift away from complex formulations and towards something simpler, more natural, and deeply personal. More and more people are ditching the lab coats and sterile environments and heading straight to the heart of the home, the kitchen. They're trading in synthetic ingredients for the wholesome goodness found in their pantries. The natural skincare market is booming, experiencing unprecedented growth as consumers actively seek out alternatives to conventional products. This surge in popularity is fueled by a growing demand for transparency and authenticity. People want to know exactly what they're putting on their skin, and they're no longer satisfied with vague promises and unpronounceable ingredients. Social media is playing a huge role in this movement, filled with real people sharing their experiences, tips, and tricks. They're showcasing their homemade creations, sharing before and after photos, and celebrating the glowing results they've achieved with simple, natural ingredients. It's a powerful testament to the effectiveness of this approach. So, what's driving this widespread shift? What's making people turn away from established brands and embrace the DIY approach? It all boils down to awareness, a growing awareness of exactly what we're putting on our bodies, and the potential impact those ingredients can have. We meticulously read food labels to understand what we're eating, so why shouldn't we do the same for our skincare? The skin is our largest organ after all, and it absorbs a significant portion of what we apply to it. Opting for natural options allows you to avoid harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and potential allergens that can irritate sensitive skin. You have complete control over what goes into your products. Plus, let's be honest, it's incredibly budget-friendly. You can create effective skincare solutions without breaking the bank. Common pantry staples like honey, with its antibacterial and moisturizing properties, oatmeal, a gentle exfoliant and soothing agent, and apple cider vinegar, a natural toner and pH balancer, can effectively replace a whole shelf of expensive, store-bought products. In a world of excess and complexity, true luxury lies in purity and simplicity. It's about stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on what truly nourishes and benefits your skin. Making your own skincare isn't just good for your skin. It also significantly reduces packaging and waste, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Store your homemade creations in reusable glass jars, reducing your reliance on single-use plastic containers. By choosing biodegradable ingredients, you actively cut down on plastic waste and minimize your environmental footprint. DIY skincare is more than just a beauty routine. It's self-care that extends to the planet, reflecting a conscious decision to live more sustainably. Every time you whip up a homemade cleanser or face mask, you're making a conscious choice to prioritize both your well-being and the health of the environment. It's about creating a harmonious balance between healthy skin and a healthy environment, embracing a green beauty philosophy that benefits both you and the planet. So embrace the movement. Your kitchen is the new beauty aisle, a treasure trove of natural ingredients waiting to be transformed into nourishing skincare solutions. It's a journey towards skincare that is simple, sustainable, effective, and deeply connected to the world around us. Before you start mixing and creating your own skincare concoctions, it's crucial to understand the canvas you're working with. Know your skin type. Understanding whether you have dry, oily, combination, or normal skin is the first and most important step. It's the foundation of any effective skincare routine. Think of it as the blueprint for building a healthy, glowing complexion. Using the wrong ingredients, no matter how natural they seem, can lead to breakouts, irritation, or even exacerbate existing skin conditions. Try the barefaced method. This simple test can give you valuable insights into your skin's natural state. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Pat it dry, wait an hour, and observe how your skin feels and looks. Does your skin feel tight and parched? You likely have dry skin, which craves hydration and moisture. Notice a shiny T-zone encompassing your forehead and nose? That's a telltale sign of oily skin. Experiencing both dryness and oiliness in different areas? You probably have combination skin, requiring a balanced approach. If your skin feels comfortable and balanced, neither too dry nor too oily, you likely have normal skin. Once you know your skin type, you can choose the right ingredients that will nourish and support your skin's specific needs. Dry skin loves ingredients like avocado, shea butter, and other nourishing oils that provide deep hydration and lock in moisture. Oily skin benefits from clay masks, tea tree oil, and witch hazel, which help to absorb excess oil and minimize pores. Remember, your skin changes with the seasons as humidity levels and sun exposure fluctuate. Your diet and stress levels also play a significant role in your skin's health and appearance. Pay close attention to these factors and adapt your routine accordingly to maintain a healthy balance. Notice how your skin responds to different routines, products, and ingredients over time. Keep a journal if it helps. This is an ongoing conversation with your skin, not a one-time diagnosis. It's about building a long-term relationship. By listening to your skin's cues and understanding its unique needs, you can personalize your care and create a truly effective routine. The secret to a radiant complexion isn't just about the products you use, but about tuning in and responding to your skin's ever-changing needs. Trust your intuition and the knowledge you've gained about your own skin. Your skin will thank you for the attention, care, and understanding you provide. Let's build a routine that truly fits you, your lifestyle, and your skin's unique requirements. Your kitchen holds powerful skincare ingredients, no lab required. Raw honey is a multitasker. It hydrates, soothes, and heals, perfect for all skin types. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins and soothes redness and inflammation. It hydrates without clogging pores and helps boost skin elasticity. Turmeric, with its antioxidant curcumin, brightens skin and calms inflammation. Use it sparingly in masks for a healthy glow. Oatmeal calms sensitive skin and gently exfoliates. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, fights aging, and makes a great toner. These simple ingredients can be cleansers, masks, or toners. No need for exotic extracts, just pantry staples. They're gentle, effective, and safe for most skin types. Start with what you have and see the difference. Nature's remedies are closer than you think. Let's unlock their power for your skin. Your morning routine should protect and prepare your skin. Keep it simple. Start with a gentle honey cleanse to purify and hydrate. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Next, use cooled green tea as a toner to balance pH and refresh. Spritz or apply with a cotton pad for an antioxidant boost. Moisturize with a few drops of lightweight oil like jojoba or grapeseed. These absorb quickly and mimic your skin's natural oils. Finish with sun protection. No DIY replaces SPF, but antioxidant-rich oils like raspberry seed can help. This routine is quick, calming, and effective. Begin your day with a fresh, protected canvas. Evening is your chance to deeply cleanse, repair, and nourish. Start with oil cleansing. Massage olive or almond oil onto dry skin, then wipe away with a warm, damp cloth. This removes makeup and impurities without stripping moisture. Exfoliate once or twice a week with a gentle oatmeal or sugar scrub. After cleansing, use a diluted apple cider vinegar toner to restore pH and clarify. Mix 1 part ACV with 3 to 4 parts water. Apply with a cotton pad. The smell fades quickly, but the benefits last. Finish with a rich moisturizer or a few drops of rosehip seed oil for overnight repair. For extra nourishment, try a yogurt and honey mask once a week. This seals in hydration and ensures you wake up glowing. Your evening ritual is restorative for both skin and mind. Let your skin renew while you rest. Creating your own skincare is empowering and easy. For a gentle cleanser, mix ground oats with raw honey and a splash of water, massage and rinse. For toner, combine rose water and aloe vera gel in a spray bottle, refreshing and hydrating. Whip raw shea butter with a carrier oil for a rich moisturizer, perfect for dry skin. Add a few drops of essential oil for scent and extra benefits. For a weekly mask, mix yogurt, turmeric, and honey. Apply. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse. These recipes use simple, safe ingredients you already have. Store in clean glass jars and use within a week for freshness. DIY lets you tailor products to your skin's needs. No chemicals, no mystery, just pure, effective care. Experiment and find what works best for you. Your kitchen is your personal skincare lab. Enjoy the process and the results. Safety first. Always patch test new recipes on a small area before using on your face. Clean hands, tools, and containers are a must to prevent contamination. Store water-based products in the fridge and use within a week. Oil-based products last longer in cool, dark places. Label everything with the date made. Not all natural ingredients are safe. Dilute potent ones like essential oils and avoid known allergens. Do your research before trying something new. These simple rules keep your DIY journey safe and enjoyable. Healthy skin starts with smart choices. Glowing skin takes patience. Natural routines work gently, not instantly. Give your skin time to adjust and detox from chemicals. Track your progress with photos and notes to see gradual improvements. Celebrate small victories. Consistency matters more than perfection. Every homemade product reduces waste and supports a healthier planet. Your routine is an act of mindful living, connecting self-care with sustainability. Start small. Try one recipe and see how your skin responds. Listen, adapt, and enjoy the creative process. You have the power to nourish your skin and the earth. True radiance comes from health, not hype. Your journey to beautiful skin and a better world starts now. Let your kitchen be the beginning of something beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this journey to natural beauty. If you love homemade beauty tips and want more, hit like, leave a comment with your favorite DIY tip, and subscribe for fresh ideas every week. Your support helps us grow and share more natural goodness. See you in the next video.